So let's say for this house that there was a bathroom, like just a toilet and a sink downstairs, would that add value so you could ask that 280?
No.
Bathroom downstairs wouldn't matter.
A full bathroom, yes.
So let's say it's a full bathroom.
Then yes. Well, a full bathroom, but only if there's bedrooms and livable square footage on it.
Great clarification. That's where I was going next.
So if I was to renovate the basement, I'm only going to do that if I can add 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. So if I can't add 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, it's not worth me putting the money down the basement. So that would get us to from a 2.1 to a 4.2, which is going to get us in that 270 to 280 range as a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. But being that we're only at 2.1, we're going to be in that 230 to 240 range.
But you wouldn't put a half bath downstairs and finish it?
No, I'm never going to put a half bath anywhere. Well, let me rephrase that. If you got a big house and you've already got 3 or 4 full baths, full or 3/4 baths, then I might put like a half bath, like in
by the front doors.
Yeah, by the front door, by a kitchen or something like that. If you have dead space there that you can do that. I would rather take that space and put like a bigger laundry room or a mud room. I would rather add that kind of stuff when you start getting to bigger homes than and I've had a couple houses that had them and it's like, well, nobody uses them. Right. It's nice. You could say, yeah, when I have guests, come and use it. But I mean, if you know the guests, just go use the main bathroom. I mean, right. I would rather utilize that space for something else. For me, it's a waste, and I don't think it's going to add any extra value to the property whatsoever.